Welcome back to another Blackstar video. My name is Rich, owner and operator of Blackstar Stake Pool. As always, going to give you a weekly update of what's going on with the pool, the metrics, performance, the good and the bad, and hope you guys appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in. If you're tuning in, if you're new to this, I do this every week, every epoch. I update you guys on how the pool is performing. So as you can see, we have a live stake of 40.9 million. We have an active stake of 29.6 million. We're reporting block height to pool tool to let you guys know that we are alive and well, and that's what that's for. So if you see a pool that's not showing that, there's a good chance that maybe the pool is out, or especially if it shows zero. Not showing anything, then they're not reporting anything. But if it shows zero, that means the pool is down. We already made one block in this epoch. Lifetime blocks is 62. We have a lifetime ROS according to pool tool to 5.9%, and our pledge is 450,000. Variable fee is still 1% at this time. As you can see, our performance is pretty good. We're growing. Active stake is growing. Return on stake fell a little bit in the last epoch. I apologize for that, but I'm doing everything to make this better. And you can see here that the last epoch we minted 10 blocks. We had an active stake of 16.2 million. Delegated rewards is 9.6 million estimate, and an estimated pool fee of 437 ADA. And the ROS is 4.5%. And that's what that's going on right here. We went slightly down the last two epochs. The epoch prior, we were just under 6%, but still pretty good. Right, we're going to slightly dip the last epoch, but I'm sure we'll recuperate in the coming epochs. So as you can see, we don't have any orphan blocks. Metrics, we'll see what pool tool is indicating that we need about 23 blocks. I'm estimating maybe 22 blocks this epoch to give you 100%. Hopefully we'll get around 26 blocks. For the saturation curve, if K equals 1000 right now, we'd be oversaturated, but we have until March 2021 to correct that. Right now we're at 40 million. Saturation curve for K equals 5000, which is the current parameter, is roughly 64 million. We're not too far from that, but we're not too close to it either. For awards, we haven't received any new badges. We're looking to get 100 blocks. I think in the next two epochs we'll hit that milestone. Let's go over to adapools.org. Alright, at adapools.org, we have an ROA of 7.3%, lifetime ROA of 5.6%. So I said before, live stake is 40.8 million, active stake is 29.6 million. The margin fee is 1%, and it comes out from the total amount of ADA that's minted. Now, last epoch was 234. They're minting that now. Estimated blocks that we need to achieve in this epoch, we have to mint 21.5 to 22 blocks. The pool tool is about right. Block trend right now, we already minted 1. Lifetime blocks is 62. Lifetime luck is 109. We're still in the green. And let's look at pool performance. So as you can see, our performance is really good. The most important part of the performance is that our delegators are growing. Our blocks are growing with our delegation, and pool size is growing. So that means we're getting more people into the pool. There's more active stake, more amounts of ADA going into the pool, and we're minting more blocks due to those two other factors, which is great. Our luck has decreased slightly. That's because we are growing very fast, and that's due to the K parameter change that was not too long ago. As you can see, we're producing blocks consistently. Right, just 2 hours ago, we minted our last block, so that's a good sign if we're minting blocks early. So we need 22 blocks. We already minted 1. We are 85%, but as you can see, prior to that, we were doing great. From epoch 226 on up, we were doing really good. The only mishap we had after 226 was epoch 228, which is at 91%, and then we had 5 consistent epochs of over minting and giving you guys great rewards. Let's see if we can keep up that trend. So as you can see, our relays are up and running. Not one is down. Everything is showing green, and everything is fine so far. In our history, we have not changed anything since November 18th when we changed the margin fee. I want to go over one thing since we were talking about margin fees. As you can see right now, our cost to our delegators is 2%, 2.1%. Right, just so you guys know, the pool is performing well. We have updated to the latest protocol, which is 1.24.2, and everything went smooth. Transition is good. We haven't had any errors, And proof in the pudding is that we already minted 1 blocks at the beginning of this transition from Epoch 234 to 235. Well, if you have any questions, care to contact me, please shoot over to the website, blackstarpool.com. Hit the Contact Us tab, scroll down. As you can see, there's several ways in which you can contact me, various forms of contact. You have a live telephone number you can call, email, write me a letter. Whatever the case may be, we're here professional to deal with you and service whatever questions you have. If you need help in delegation, whatever the case may be, I'm also obviously making YouTube videos. If you need a video to try to understand something, no problem. Give me a call. I'll try to make the video within 24 to 48 hours and post it on the YouTube channel. I'm here to help try to make this pool as successful as possible. Let you guys know that we're professional as possible and we're here to service you guys, the delegators, get you the rewards, make you happy. That's about it. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like and share. Let more people know about Black Star Stake Pool. Have a happy holidays. Enjoy your time with your family. Be careful. Wear your mask. Wash your hands. COVID is very serious. Many of us are falling at its wayside due to this virus. I urge you, implore you to take this virus very seriously. It's not a game. With that said, Black Star Stake Pool, the light in the darkness. Peace out.